Hello, I am Gino Joshua Tabaquero from 4101 BSCPE, Best Learning College of the Philippines. Today, I would like to introduce my topic about system bus or system buses. So, what is a system bus? System bus is it transmits and shares data throughout the computer and between devices. So, it transfers the data from another device to other devices. Example, CPU, you have CPU and the hardware components. Those so the CPU will transfer the data from hardware components of your devices. So it's a primary way for our computer to process information because it connects the main processor to all other internal hardware components of a computer. So there are basic functions of a system bus, which is the internal function, also known as memory bus. So what is internal function? So it is a type of it is a function that the process that happening in your devices will goes to CPU to other parts of hardware components, which is internal. Then the second one will be the external function, which will the transmitting of data will be to your device and to its connected hardware. Example, we have system unit and printer, just like that. So third one, which will be the data sharing. So the data sharing is responsible for the credible transmitting of data and which will be longer to receive the data. So the fourth one, which will be the addressing. So what is addressing? This function allows user to transfer information about certain data between locations in the computer main memory. So this is the specificity of transmitting the data throughout your components of the device. So then the fifth one will be the power. So it is a common sense that without power we cannot transmit data to other parts of your other hardware components of your device. So it helps the speed of transmitting the data. So there are three types of buses. So the first one, which will be the address bus. So carries memory address from processor to other components such as primary memory, storage, and I&O devices, which is the input and output. So the address bus is unidirectional, which means it is function or moving in a single way without going back. So the second one will be the data bus. So what is the data bus? The data bus carries the data between the processor and other components. So the data bus is bidirectional, which is it can receive or send back. So but like vice versa unidirectional. So the third one, which will be the control bus. It carries the control signals from the processor to other components. The control bus also carries the clock pulses. So it is a control type of bus, which will be we have a control signals to send a specific data. So the control bus is unidirectional, which is a one way or single way to transmit the data. So that's all. Well, thank you everyone.
I know both is not enough.